Hey guys, what is going on? It's Andrew. Today I'm gonna show you how to remove the iCloud lock from your iPhone. So we have a little program here which does all the magic. It's called iCloud Unlock Deluxe, and it works with every iPhone and every version of iOS, as far as I know. And first things first, you have to enter the DFU mode on your iPhone. If you don't know what this is, and if you don't know how to enter it, you can just click here for a short tutorial. And I already prepared my phone and connected it, so I can just click on connect via USB. And this takes a little while. Yes, so now we have a few informations about the iPhone, and you have to select that this is your phone and that it's not stolen. And of course, it's my own phone. And we're gonna continue. Let's make your iPhone great again. So to remove the iCloud lock, you have to make sure to select this one. And if your carrier is blacklisted, you can select allocate new IMEI. And I also would recommend you to select these two options. And I wouldn't recommend you to select block Apple ID verification servers, since that can bring you in trouble. Now we're gonna click install. And now my iPhone's rebooting and there's a little progress bar. And I already did this to my girlfriend's iPhone. And it worked perfectly. It was an iPhone 7. And as far as I know, you can unlock every iPhone with it. And so now it's finished. My iPhone is still rebooting. And as you can see on the green phone, you can see what the program did to your iPhone. And I put the download link in the video description, so you can download this little magic tool. And if it worked for you, I would be happy to see a like on my video. So may your iPhone be free again.